your boy, bro. Y'all already know what it is, boy. Back in again with another video, baby. It's your boy Low 5. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, because y'all already know we finna get to this motherfucker banger, bro.
Questions with the goal of getting me drunk. They can either make up a question or pull from the friends deck, which is a deck of cards my friends put together prior to the game. In the rare case that I go over my limit, I'll tag in one of my YouTube friends.
I will fill this up. This is 10 shots, but
But these girls ain't safe either. I prepared some questions that I think no girl would answer.
Time to get drunk, yeah.
Hey man, what's
Let
going
me
on?
know. Y'all want me to do
It's your
something
boy
like this?
Avery B.
I'll
As you
do it.
can
I
see
don't
from
care.
today's title, we got something real different, man. I'm doing a truth or drink, but it's only me, man. So I got 5 girls.
Yeah,
We
I
got to
should
bring
do
the
that.
5
Y'all wanna get
girls up.
something like
As
that,
you can
though?
see from the flashcards, I got a friends deck. If they need some questions, they can pull from these. And I got my own deck, man. Their goal is to get me drunk. My goal is to do the same. So without further ado, let me get the first lady. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
How are you?
Doing good. Go ahead and clear that mic for me.
Fine,
Oh,
say
first
it.
question, are you
No
nervous?
cap. No
I
cap.
am nervous.
You are nervous?
Yes.
So basically, we got you a deck right here if you need, you know what I'm saying? If you need some help, I got a deck of my own. I'm gonna let you go first, ask the first question. Your goal is to get me drunk now, all right?
Okay, all right.
Now, shuffle these motherfuckers up too. Hey, YouTube, I don't know what's in these cards. My friend chose these, so hopefully it ain't too crazy, man.
All right. Yeah, let's go ahead and get it started.
Hey, I'm scared, I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So, who would you let kiss on your neck?
Who?
What kind of question would that be?
I guess it's out of the 5 girls. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't had my first shot yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a shot, you feel me?
Perfect timing.
I ain't, you feel me? All right, it's on me.
Yeah.
Name your worst body.
Anthony.
Oh,
Damn!
Play with me. No, for real, don't play like that. Are you serious?
bring the next girl in.
You're in.
That shit just strong as fuck. I see how this shit about to go out, you know what I'm saying? How you doing? My name's Avery, what's your name?
AB.
AV? My name's Avery, your name is AV?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's hard. So are you ready to drink?
Are you ready to drink?
Who? You did, that shit
I
worked.
mean, you can still keep going.
Alright, we about to see, man. I'm gonna go further this time, you feel me? Who was your last sneaky link? You gotta say the name, or you gotta take a shot. You might well go. Who was your last sneaky link? That's a point for the boys, man. That's a motherfucking point for the boys, man. Thank you for, you know what I'm saying?
I play for you. I don't even want to fool. Have you ever had a threesome before?
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I answer it, I'm straight.
I mean, if you did it, you don't drink.
Oh yeah, for sure. Hold on, go ahead and take it. Hey, we gotta be up, man, you know what I'm saying? I feel that one already, man. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
How you feeling?
He got some
Yeah. Okay, cool. Me too. We on the same level then. I'm gonna go first. You feel me? Hey, this is an interactive question. I need 2 friends real quick. The question is, smash, marry, kill, or take a shot.
that's crazy.
You ain't got to. You can take a shot.
You might have well. Squat down a little bit.
I'm gonna take a shot.
You made me waste my energy and she didn't even give me an answer.
Now you gotta ask me a question.
Your friend Elias ATL asked you to name your best body or take 2 shots.
Who?
Hey, come out there, no.
Let me pour them for you.
Hey, chill on me, bro. Can I even cheat that way though?
You already picked the 2 shots.
Dang, 2 shots. It's crazy.
Hey, don't do me that bad, bro. That was to the top. Don't do me that bad. Alright. Oh, I fought you.
Oh, they scared.
I'm pretty sure you just seen that. It's not about 2 of you.
You'll be all right. That's only 3 shots.
Who? Go ahead. I'm gonna let you pull first.
Your friend Leak asked who is your worst body or take 10 shots.
What? Hey, this nigga Lee said or take 10 shots. What's your problem, bro?
Who was your worst body? Or take 10 shots.
He got some.
What's your
Yeah.
name? What's your name?
I'm just pour the cup for you.
Who? I forgot her name. I ain't gonna lie. I know you forgot her name.
I will fill this up. This is 10 shots, but
Who? Her name was Brittany. I'm a woman.
I feel like you made that.
How many women have you had sex with so far in 2023? None? Okay. Good job, girl.
That's a fucking lie. Well, who knows? I don't know what it is.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I ain't doing too good. This ain't going too well, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little bit tipsy already, but you know what I'm saying? I'm a real nigga though, so
Right.
I do this shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you a question first.
All right.
Each body you have is equivalent to $1. What can you buy with your body count?
Give me a shot.
Give you a shot? I'll do it. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Do your thing. That's right there. If you need a chase, you got it.
Yeah, I need to chase it.
I like that. Just straight up take a
But
shot.
I don't think I need to chase it, actually.
Oh, you like that? Straight like that, man. She don't need
By the
no
way, I
chase.
got
Your friend Bobo asks, who would you smash, marry? What?
Babo, she don't understand your question, bro.
Does it say smash or buy Chanel?
Who would you smash, Emery Chanel or Queen Nee, or take 3 shots?
Queenie. I'm dribble. Easy. Easy. You should have came up with a question. That was too easy.
I was gonna ask you the question, it was already took.
Alright. Next up, man. Who's next?
I'm gonna pick a card this time.
He drunk.
Did you make me drink last time?
No. You made me drink.
Bravo. So you gonna do better this time?
Yeah.
We're gonna see.
Your friend Tate Global, that's his name, asked, would you kiss one of us or take a shot?
Hold on, would I or like do I have to? Like
It say, would you?
what I got to or like
Or take a shot.
so I gotta kiss somebody or take a shot?
Yep.
I don't gotta kiss nobody though. You gotta pick somebody to kiss or you gotta take
Take a shot.
Hey, man, these niggas doing me bad, man. Hey.
Time to get drawn, yeah.
Hey, this shit getting bad, man.
He gonna turn up.
Ooh, this is an interactive question real quick. Come here real quick. I need 3 people. I'm gonna let you read it.
Yeah, I get that. 3 shots?
I like what you like.
Oh, she like girls. Who?
Oh.
Shoes. Out of the girls.
Who would you eat?
Who? She still taking the shot. Hey, tell her to finish this shot. Shots, man. You next, Jordan.
Oh, man. Good job.
See out.
Jordan, I'm like 5 in at this point.
Are you really? All right. Have you cheated since 2023 started?
Absolutely not. That was easy. My question is, kiss a girl on this panel or take 2 shots?
I'm gonna go ahead and just get my 2.
I'm getting up. Hey, I'm fucking them up right now, man.
Who wrote these questions? All right, y'all know I'm a pussy.
She's trying to go slow motion, man. I don't even know what y'all talking about. You've been drinking the whole day. You've been taking L's.
Why are you trying to make it seem like some alcoholic?
Who? You losing the game right now. What you had to take? 3?
No, 2. This is my second one.
They hit you.
They didn't want to go down. Okay. Have you ever thought about cheating since your recent relationship?
Who? So if I answer, I don't gotta drink.
You can be honest, we're all human. It happens. It doesn't mean you did it. Just a thought crossed. You had maybe the
My comments
opportunity.
is like so soon. And
Okay.
I'm
Thought you had
boosted out.
it. Good try.
That's it. Can I
What
get
you
up?
say?
You good? You feeling it? I'm already knowing. I see it. How you feeling?
Pretty well with diamonds, man.
What you feeling?
I'm there for sure. So you can go ahead. I'm gonna let you go first.
Is it true you got a girlfriend?
Oh,
Is it true you got a girlfriend?
Is it true I got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
why?
Explain like, what a girlfriend is.
Your girlfriend is somebody that you loyal to, you not fucking off on, you committed
Take
to.
that shot, Bucko. Take that shot.
What if I don't know?
You gotta know. Take a shot.
I took too long, huh? Nah, I go out bad for that one. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna take a shot though, man. Damn. This question pertains to me. Fuck or kill? What would you rather do to me? Would you kill me or would you smash? What you gonna do?
She goes,
I'ma kill you. Gotta kill you.
B, stop lying, B. Stop lying, B. You looked at him dead in his eyes. Cause he mentioned something, man. I may have a girlfriend. He didn't say I had a girlfriend.
I'm sorry, I gotta kill you.
Are you killing me though?
I don't gotta answer further.
You gonna kill me?
I'm just gonna kill you.
I need that information.
You got a girlfriend. You couldn't even just say you got a girlfriend. But
Okay. Did I not just say that? Did I not just say that, bro? She basically gonna kill him because he did not answer. Did she have a girlfriend? Fucking blasphemy, man. Blasphemy, man.
you didn't answer the question.
Oh, my
So your girlfriend gonna be looking at this disappointed at you because you couldn't just say a simple yes. So why would I f somebody like you?
I'm looking the same way. She got to go.
Fix your face.
You said fix my face?
Yeah. You first, I went first.
I'm first? I'll go first. You took a shot yet?
Not of that.
I got you. I gotta pick 2 friends from the crowd and you gotta smash or kill one of them.
Okay.
Hey, yo, Gio. Slide. Y'all boys slide real quick. Hey, my question, man, I gotta pick 2 friends from the crowd. She gotta smash or kill one of y'all. So what you gonna do? That's a good side right there. That's a good side. No. What you gonna do?
Shot?
You gonna take? Oh, you gonna take the shot? She gonna take the shot, y'all. She's scared. I'm gonna load you.
What is that half BSing about, bro?
Cool, stop.
Who? Alright. That's a shot right there, man. Appreciate y'all, boys, man.
You better answer the brothers that go through here, man.
Take level X, let one girl dance on you for 30 seconds or take a shot. Can I pick the girl?
Read the question again, man.
You gotta let one girl dance on him for 30 seconds or take a shot. Let me pick the girl. Stop taking shots.
No. You gotta pick somebody.
You being scared.
I tried.
He's gonna get drunk.
I can't, bro. I can't. Hold on, you just took a shot?
Yeah. Now take another one. You take 2.
I will only take 2 if you take one with me.
Okay.
He almost fucked that.
You overdoing it.
Hey, hashtag take global.
Hashtag loyal what? Boy?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, man. They fucking me up right now, man.
I came up with a question.
Oh, talking shit.
Look around, right? Look around, all the girls in here. Name one girl you would absolutely not hit. Or take a shot.
Oh.
You gotta bring them up.
Yeah.
Come here.
They wouldn't know.
Who?
She don't count.
How?
You go.
Tell them the question.
I told him to name one girl in the
That
room
don't
he
count.
absolutely would not hit. He brought you up.
That count, right? Yeah. Have you ever fucked someone in this room? If so, point them out. If you haven't, who would you rather fuck in this room?
Nah.
So who would you?
I'd rather hear this.
Yeah, or take a shot. And you gotta bring them up too.
Oh.
I mean, I did shoot my shot at a couple of these bitches.
Oh, so it's a girl?
It's like 3.
So who you bringing up?
I'm not bringing none of them up.
You gotta bring somebody up and take a shot though. So what you gonna do?
I'm gonna take a shot.
Hey, we almost ran through this whole bottle, man. Hey, y'all, we only got 3 questions left, man. We winning right now, look. It's 3-2 though. Who next? Cause y'all drinking, who next? I'm going first.
As you may.
Read your last dirty DM. Ooh. Take a shot. If you ain't got none, you gotta take a shot. How many shots you took? I didn't f you up on a couple of.
I took 3 the last time.
So who really winning?
Us.
Who?
I'm gonna read the card.
Only way they win is because they gonna take you
Your
home,
friend
bro.
Slick asked how much you slept on all.
Who?
I don't know how to.
Hey, Slick.
Slick King, right?
She can't read your hand right.
For real.
I can believe that. Your friend Slick asked how many. On all the 99 chains together.
Okay.
You'll be surprised.
Okay, hold on, show the change. You gotta bend down, bend down.
So how much you spent?
A lot. That was a good one right there.
Y'all ain't got no diamond testing?
Baby, it real, man.
It's a lot. I can't disclose the real amount though.
So do you supposed to drink today?
Did you take a shot yet? I'm gonna take a shot on her.
I'm gonna take one again, okay.
Hey, I'm like 8 in right now.
See, I'm fine. You losing right now.
It's a lot of y'all though.
No matter.
How many shots you took?
I took like 5.
You gonna kill me though, bro? That's fucked up, man. I'm still on that.
Bro, yes, I'ma kill you. It's no hard feelings, Avery.
I'm disappointed, bro. What is your one night stand body count?
One night stand body count.
I never had a one night stand yet.
Ever had a one night stand?
3.
I would do the same shit.
And you never had a one night stand?
All of them was long-term relationships.
Child, I'm so proud of you.
Who ass had you ate?
Who? Man, who the f made me questions, bro?
I switched it up a little bit though.
What?
Who ass have you ate? Who ass had you ate?
Nobody.
Yes, you had.
Stop trying me, bro.
Yes, you had.
That's a
April
lie.
had. Everybody
Every
eat ass.
Hell no. Beat it. Beat it.
I ain't never did that shit in my life.
Every boy eat ass.
No. The 3 people you fuck with, this ain't that.
So you ain't never ate no ass?
No. Next.
No, fuck that. You gotta take a shot.
I be liking it. That's why y'all wanted me to
Cause why haven't you ate ass? You
get the
boring as hell.
Where the fuck you even come from, bitch? Who are you? Who?
When you want your balls, so why wouldn't you eat her ass?
I don't even want to take a shot for that goddamn thought, man.
I'll take a shot with you. I'll take a shot.
Take a shot. Hey, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. That was Truth to Drink with Avery B. I got 2 more questions, so shit, I'm gonna ask you both these questions. Read your last dirty DM, or you gotta take 2.
Somebody told her don't
So
do
you
that.
gonna take 2?
I'm not taking 2.
So read your last dirty DM. Show it to the camera.
Oh,
Why you
we
doing
gonna
that?
pause.
When was
Okay.
your last time having sex? Rated 1 through 10. So you got 3 shots on the table. So what you gonna do?
Man, fuck this. I'm taking 1, 3. What the fuck? I'm taking 1, 3.
I can't finesse the 3-piece though. Hey, y'all boys, like, comment, subscribe, man. If y'all want more videos like this, make sure y'all let me know. They got AB lit as fuck, man. If y'all like this video, y'all gonna like these videos, man. Y'all boys stay tuned. No cap.
Yo, sir, man. I hope y'all like that vid, bro. I hope y'all like the vid. Most of these shotties, they lying, bro. They are lying. Talking about, I never had no one night stand. Now she had a good comeback talking about.
Shout out to Vane. Yo, we was lit. Bro, you straight, bro.